Welcome back, everybody, for another deep dive. This time, we're taking a closer look at introducing brokers.
IBs.
Yeah, IBs, exactly.
Uh-huh.
These are the folks connecting individual traders, like you and me,
Right.
with the bigger brokerage firms out there.
Yeah.
Now, you might think it's all about just bringing in clients,
You'd think so, right?
but as we'll see, it's way more strategic than that.
It really is. It's a dynamic partnership
I like that.
where understanding your broker's products is absolutely key.
So let's dive into that.
Yeah.
One of our sources really stresses the importance of knowing those brokers' products inside and out.
Mm-hmm.
Why is that so crucial for an IB?
Okay, so think of it this way.
Okay.
The retail market is incredibly diverse.
Right.
You have everyone from seasoned day traders to complete newbies,
Yeah, just dipping their toes in.
Just starting out, exactly.
Right.
So to be effective in this market, an IB needs to be like a walking encyclopedia
Whoa.
of their partners' offerings.
Yeah.
What trading platforms do they offer? Okay.
What are the different account types? What asset classes can be traded?
Right.
An IB needs to be able to explain all of this clearly and concisely.
Okay.
And most importantly, match clients with the tools that align with their goals and their risk tolerance.
So it's kind of like being a matchmaker,
Exactly.
but for traders and trading tools.
Absolutely. And here's where it gets even more interesting.
Oh, tell me more.
This source also talks about leveraging the broker's marketing assets.
Okay.
Webinars, educational materials, market analysis reports.
That's a lot.
These are gold mines for attracting and educating potential clients,
Especially in the retail space.
especially in the retail space.
Right. So it's like you have a whole marketing department at your fingertips,
Yeah,
ready to help you reach that target audience.
absolutely. A smart IB taps into these resources
Right.
to create targeted campaigns, build their brand, and ultimately attract more clients.
Yeah. And this source also highlights the importance of giving feedback to the broker.
Okay, now that's interesting.
Yeah.
Why is feedback so important in this relationship?
Because the retail market is constantly evolving.
Okay.
New trends emerge, platforms change, trader preferences shift. So by giving regular feedback to your broker,
Yeah.
an IB can help them adapt and stay ahead of the curve.
So it's about sharing insights about what's working, what's not,
Yeah,
what retail clients are asking for.
exactly.
So it's a two-way street.
Precisely.
The IB benefits from the broker's resources,
Right.
and the broker benefits from the IB's finger on the pulse of the retail market.
A symbiotic relationship that drives innovation and success for both parties.
I like it now.
Yeah.
Let's talk about navigating the realities of the market.
Okay.
Another source that we have
Mm-hmm.
emphasizes the need for IBs to understand those market dynamics.
Yeah.
Things like slippage, spread fluctuations,
Right.
and how economic trends impact retail traders.
This is where a good IB truly differentiates themselves.
Okay.
Retail traders, especially those starting out, can be easily spooked by unexpected market movements.
Oh, for sure.
Right.
Yeah.
So a savvy IB can explain these occurrences in a way that builds trust and confidence.
Okay, I like that.
So let's take slippage as an example.
Yeah.
Instead of just saying, oh, that's just how the market works,
Right.
which is not very helpful.
Not at all.
A skilled IB might use historical data
Oh, wow.
to show a client how slippage affects different trading strategies.
Great.
And then offer tips on how to minimize its impact.
Very cool. So it's about going beyond just charts and graphs
Yeah.
and providing actionable insights that empower retail clients.
Exactly. An IB who can educate their clients about these market realities will build stronger relationships and foster greater trust.
Yeah, absolutely. Speaking of empowerment,
Yeah.
our sources also highlight the wide range of resources that brokers offer to support their IB partners.
Yes.
Let's unpack that toolkit a little bit.
Oh, it's quite extensive. Think they
yeah.
have dedicated sales teams who can assist with client onboarding and answer questions.
Yeah.
Account managers who provide personalized support. And even specialized training programs designed to enhance an IB's business skills.
Wow, it sounds like the broker is almost a silent partner working behind the scenes
That's a great analogy.
to support the IB's success.
But like any good partnership, communication is key.
Right?
A proactive IB will reach out to their broker, ask questions, and utilize these resources to their full potential.
Yeah, you don't just wait for things to happen, they make things happen.
Exactly.
And that proactive approach is especially important when working with retail clients
Absolutely.
who often need a little more guidance and support.
A responsive IB who can leverage their broker's resources to meet those needs will quickly build a reputation for reliability and expertise.
Now, one source really dives into the importance of keeping clients engaged And it's packed with ideas.
Oh, yeah.
Signals, trading robots, webinars, even competitions.
It's about building a community.
That's building a community around trading.
You hit the nail on the head.
It's so cool.
In the retail space, engagement is everything.
Okay.
These interactive elements can be incredibly effective for attracting new clients and retaining existing ones.
Okay.
Imagine a newbie trader attending a webinar hosted by an IB and learning valuable strategies from a seasoned professional.
That's great.
Or picture a group of clients competing in a simulated trading competition.
Cool.
It creates excitement,
Yeah.
it fosters a sense of community, and it keeps them coming back for more.
So it's about making trading more than just transactions. It's about creating an experience.
That's what sets successful IBs apart.
In that competitive retail landscape.
In that competitive retail landscape.
For sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that's what's so cool about the retail trading space.
Right.
It's dynamic,
Yeah.
diverse,
Uh-huh.
and it demands a certain level of creativity from successful IBs.
You're absolutely right. And speaking of creativity, one of our sources lays out some really interesting strategies for expanding an IB's reach.
Yeah.
Things like recruiting sub-IBs, tapping into online communities, and even leveraging the broker's resources for targeted landing pages.
It's all about building that network.
Okay.
Especially in the retail space.
Yeah.
Every connection an IB makes is a potential gateway to new clients.
Okay.
So recruiting sub-IBs expands your team's reach and expertise.
Okay.
Tapping into online communities, whether it's on social media or specialized forums, allows you to connect with potential clients who are already interested in trading.
Very cool.
And those landing pages, they provide a focus point of entry for anyone who clicks on your ads or follows a link from your social media.
So it's like casting a wide net.
Exactly.
But in a very strategic way.
But strategically.
Right.
And to make sure you're attracting the right kind of fish, you need a strong brand identity.
It's so true in a crowded online world. Standing out is everything.
Yeah.
What specific branding advice does this source offer?
Well, it covers everything.
Okay.
From social media presence and attending industry events to even creating branded merchandise.
Oh.
It's about creating a consistent and professional image across all channels.
Right.
A strong brand builds trust and recognition. And that's especially critical in the retail space.
Yeah.
Where trust is paramount.
Totally.
Imagine a retail trader scrolling through their social media feed. And they see a post from an IB with a polished brand, a track record of success, and positive client testimonials.
Oh, yeah. That's going to make a difference.
That's going to make a much stronger impression than a generic post with no personality.
So it's not just about what you offer, but how you present yourself.
Yeah, it's about conveying expertise, reliability, and that all-important sense of trust.
Okay, now before we move on, I want to emphasize one crucial aspect of building a successful IB business.
Yeah.
Especially in the retail space.
Okay.
Choosing the right broker partner.
Absolutely. One of our sources really cautions against brokers who make unrealistic promises.
Right, especially those targeting the retail market.
Like anything else, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is.
Probably.
IBs need to do their due diligence.
Okay.
When selecting a broker partner. Don't just focus on the potential payouts.
Right.
Look deeper. Are they properly regulated?
Okay.
Do they have a transparent business model?
Yeah.
Do their values align with yours?
That's a great point.
These are crucial questions to consider.
Right.
Especially when working with retail clients who may be more vulnerable to misleading claims.
It's like dating. Take your time, ask the tough questions, and make sure it's a good fit.
I love that analogy.
And speaking of relationships, another source stresses the importance of treating your IB business like a real business.
Right.
Not just a side hustle.
Yeah, this is especially important when catering to the retail market where competition is fierce. And client expectations are high.
So it's not just about bringing in clients, but about having a solid business plan.
Yes.
A clear strategy for growth and the discipline to see it through.
Absolutely. This source emphasizes the importance of regular communication with your broker partner.
Okay.
Sharing your goals, your challenges, your progress.
Yeah.
It's about working together.
So it's about nurturing that collaborative relationship.
Exactly. And remember, your broker is also a business when they invest in supporting you.
Yeah.
Whether it's through marketing campaigns, bonuses, or other resources, they're expecting a return on that investment.
So it's not just about taking, it's about giving back.
Yeah.
Contributing to the success of the partnership.
Exactly.
And ultimately creating a win-win scenario.
Precisely. And that brings us to another important point this source highlights.
Okay.
Investing in yourself.
Oh, that's a good one.
The retail trading landscape is constantly evolving, so IBs need to be constantly learning, honing their skills, and staying ahead of the curve.
So it's not just about attracting clients, but about building your expertise, becoming a trusted advisor, and providing real value.
Exactly. And in the retail market, where relationships are key, providing value is what sets you apart.
Okay, now one of the sources had some creative ideas for engaging retail clients, like a referral program, tapping into those existing networks we talked about earlier.
That's a classic strategy that still works.
Yeah.
Word-of-mouth marketing is incredibly powerful.
Especially in the retail space.
Especially in the retail space. This source also suggests exploring bonuses and incentives offered by the broker.
Yeah.
These can be valuable tools for attracting new clients.
It also mentions getting the broker's advice on what kind of bonus structure would be most effective.
That's crucial.
For attracting and retaining retail clients.
A bonus that's too generous.
Right.
It might not be sustainable for the broker in the long run.
Okay.
It's about finding that sweet spot where everyone benefits.
Right. And remember, in the retail market, it's not just about attracting new clients. It's about building lasting relationships.
Absolutely.
So any bonus or incentive program should be designed to reward loyalty and encourage long-term engagement.
This source also encourages IBs to think like entrepreneurs, to push for a return on investment for both themselves and the broker.
I like that that's a key mindset shift.
Yeah, it's about seeing this as a true partnership where everyone is working towards shared goals.
And in the retail market, that shared goal is ultimately client satisfaction and retention.
Exactly.
And finally, this source encourages IBs to embrace the power of technology.
Yes.
Things like AI and automation to streamline their operations.
This is a game changer in the fast-paced retail trading world.
For sure.
Imagine being able to automate tasks.
Yeah.
Like posting to social media, responding to routine client inquiries, and even personalizing your marketing messages.
It frees up your time and energy.
Exactly.
To focus on the things that really matter.
Yeah, building relationships with clients, providing personalized support, and strategizing for growth.
Exactly. And remember, in the retail market, those personal touches can make all the difference.
Absolutely.
So as we wrap up this deep dive into the world of IBs, what key takeaways should our listeners keep in mind?
You know what's fascinating is a lot of the principles that we've discussed apply to like any entrepreneurial endeavor.
Oh, really?
Spotting opportunities, building relationships, providing value, and constantly adapting.
Yeah.
These are crucial in any market.
Absolutely. And we've seen how the IB role goes far beyond just getting those clients in the door.
Right.
It's about building a sustainable business, nurturing a strong partnership with your broker.
Right.
And always seeking ways to innovate and improve.
Exactly. It's a challenging path.
Oh, yeah.
But one with immense potential, especially for those who are passionate about the financial markets and working with people.
One final thought for our listener. We've covered a lot of the nuts and bolts of the IB role, but let's not forget the human element.
Right.
The most successful IBs,
yeah,
especially those focused on the retail market, are the ones who build genuine relationships with their clients.
Absolutely.
They act as mentors and guides, helping them navigate the complexities of trading and achieve their financial goals.
That's an excellent point. It's about going beyond transactions and building a community of informed and engaged traders.
And who knows, maybe one of you listening out there will be the next successful IB.
Maybe.
Making your mark on the world of retail trading.
The potential is there.
For sure.
For those willing to put in the work, embrace the challenges, and remember that in the retail market, building trust and providing value are the keys to success.
Excellent points. Thanks for joining us for this deep dive into the dynamic world of introducing brokers.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
Until next time, keep seeking knowledge and exploring those new possibilities.